everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Oh my goodness, so here I am at the plus section. Let me just show you what they have here in Christmas. So I know that the fall stuff is over here on this side. That's probably going to go on sale, hopefully, or they'll take it down. So here's the gingerbread girl, $3. Okay, and here's the gingerbread guy. And look at the size. I'm loving the size. I am so happy. So of course, you know, I'm coming home with this. So that's one. Then you have the LED snowflake for the window. So that's $5. And look at this. So you have the iridescent lights. Those look so beautiful. That's $5. And here's a set of 3 inflatable ornaments for $5. So I've never seen this before. I didn't see it last year. Somebody must have stuck that there. So here you have 150 count of the clear mini lights, $5. And here they go in the multicolor. Here's a 4-foot for $5 inflatable tree. You know, if you put this stuff outside, which I don't, but if you do, $5 for a 4-foot inflatable, I didn't think that was bad because I've seen them in the stores. Here's the snowman, here's the Santa, and then here's the penguin. Then you have the 100 mini lights in the clear, and those are $3. Here you have the strand. It's a 30 count light set. Okay, with the berries and the leaves for $5. And here, these are for $5 as well. I like that. And look at the size of these ornaments. I am loving it. So those are $5 a piece. Then you have the floor mat. All right, let's move over. The trees are back, guys. These trees, I have 2 of them. They were beautiful last year and they're pretty full. 4-foot trees, $5. Here's the green and here is the white. Now, those are some little fuzzy slippers for $5. Look at the size of this bow for $3. I don't think you could even make a bow like this for $3. This is so nice for the price. So here, looks like a little house lantern. It's LED, and I believe that is $3. This drinking mug, I think somebody just put it there. There is a poinsettia plant there. I can't pull it out, guys. I only have one hand and it's stuck. Oh, I just dropped that. Okay, so here's the countdown, the calendar. That's $3. The snowman. They have it in the reindeer and Santa. Isn't that pretty? These are so pretty. Then you have the little poinsettia potted plants for $3. Look at the buffalo check. And here is the buffalo check ribbon for $3. Well, this was $5. Let me see. 12-foot. I think this is a great price. I think I'm going to go ahead and get that. And then you have these. I call them, what are those, the little snowballs? The snow globes for $5. Then you have the tinsel truck with the tree. I think those are $3. And look at this lantern. So they're different kind, but these 2 are with the cardinal. And then you have the metal trees right here. So you have it in red, white, silver. I think this one is black. Okay, and then look at the deer. So the deer are $3, I think. Let me see how much this one is with the tinsel. Yep, all of these deer right here from the gold, silver, white. And if you don't like them with the tinsel on it, this one here is about to fall. Then you can go ahead and get the metal. That's amazing. Okay, so this is what I got last year, guys. Look at the wooden soldiers for $5 a piece. That is a steal because look at the size. So that is a steal. Okay, I think these are signs. They're metal signs. I don't want to touch them too much. So you have this kind of tree. I got these last year. These are $3. I love these. Look at them. All right, so then we have, okay, so this is a clothesline garland. Isn't that cute? With Santa's clothes. And what are these? The same thing. Then you have this poinsettia, and I think that's like a hat tree. And then these are the garlands that I used last year to decorate. Look at these the lean signs, and these are garlands. And this is a front door wreath, and look, I have the gold and the silver one. So then you have the candy canes for outside, which I think you guys might remember me hanging this outside. They have the Santa sack, and look at their tinsel wreaths. Okay, so look at the bottle brush trees, guys. This one here is a 20-inch potted tree, $5. Here you have a Santa. Okay, let's see. Multicolored 25 count for $5. I like their bottle brush trees right here, and these are lit. I believe they're lit. Yep. So they're LED brush trees for $5. Nice size, guys. You see the size of those? These are runners. You can't beat that for $5. And then look at their candles. Spice apple, $5. I know I'm like overly excited. You have your throws right here, and I'm sure you have an assortment there, but these candy canes for that size are pretty awesome. Then they have these flickering LED lights. These are $5. Okay, and then you have these. I'm loving this. I am loving these. So these are $3. Wouldn't that be nice? Then here's a truck. The truck is also $3, and I think that's where the Christmas stuff ends. But then you have your water bottles and your tumblers and stuff. But I'm sorry about that, guys. So I just wanted to show you this area right here where they're starting to bring out the Christmas decor. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and God bless you. Look at this flock tree. Oh my goodness. I'll see you in the next one, guys.